Fashion Designer Joi Mahon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to sew this great button leather bag on the Baby Lock Jane. Now, I have been sewing in business for over 25 years, and I think I've sewn on just about every kind of fabric. And the really exciting thing is that I know that there is a Baby Lock machine for any special sewing need that I have. We're going to be featuring the Baby Lock Jane because she has some unique characteristics. Now, I do want you to know that you can make this project on any sewing machine by changing the needle, maybe the foot that you're using, and a few settings that are on the machine. But for today, I have planned this project all around the Jane because I find that it's such a great complementary machine to the other ones that I use in my studio, and I really wanted to share that with you.